All right, guys. So a fun week ahead of us. Many families across our country and across our world are celebrating holidays this week. And I love learning about what other people are doing, even if I'm not doing it. So I do celebrate one of the holidays that is represented on this board with my family. But I also love to learn about holidays that other families celebrate that my family doesn't, because I just feel like that helps me to be a better person in this world when I understand others and their meanings behind things better. So I have 4 different holidays represented on this board for us to learn about. The first one, we've got the big tree. That would be Christmas. Now the gifts go with Christmas and with Hanukkah, because gifts are given for the holidays of Christmas and the holiday of Hanukkah. I also have a menorah up for Hanukkah. You can see some potato latkes up here, a dreidel, and some gold coins. All of those work with the celebration of Hanukkah. The stockings and the cards go with Christmas, but cards also can be sent out for any holiday. I know families that send out Diwali cards. So if you look up in the top, I'm pointing the wrong way. Here we go. the top left corner, that is a Diwali Rangoli, I think is how you say it. Rangoli. Someone's going to have to clarify that one for me. But Diwali is celebrated at not on the same date every year. Like sometime between October and November, you'll see Diwali fall on your calendar. It's a big celebration in India and has a lot of really cool customs and traditions. So I've seen Diwali cards go out. I've seen Hanukkah cards, and I've received Christmas cards before. I've never received a Kwanzaa card, but I'm guessing that people do send out Kwanzaa cards. So we have cards over here. There is an elf sitting on the shelf, and I know that because I'm putting him there myself. Digitally, of course. I did not touch the elf. So we've got stockings with Christmas. We got presents with Christmas and Diwali, and I don't know if they give just Christmas and Hanukkah, I think, do the presents. A Christmas tree. The candy cane is actually a link. And then we've got these candles over here that guide us in Kwanzaa. So Kwanzaa is traditionally an African celebration for around Christmas time. So you light the candles kind of like you light the candles of Hanukkah. And the colors of the candles for Kwanzaa are of the colors of the African flag. So I'm going to let you explore Kwanzaa through those links too. There's some books about Kwanzaa down here too. Just lots of fun stuff. I know we eat lots of fun foods over the holidays, books. Maybe we read some stories about trains and bells. I don't know. So I just hope you enjoy this board and learn something from it. You may not celebrate something that's on this board or anything that's on this board, but hopefully you learn something from this board about what's going on in the world around you, and it just makes us all a little bit better when we can understand our neighbor. So I hope you have a wonderful break. I hope that you guys rest and enjoy this time with your family. I'm not sure if you have seen the video that the special area team has put out. I encourage you to, well, I don't know if I encourage you to watch it, but we made this with love for you guys as our type of like holiday card, and we're going to miss you over the holidays. So I hope you have a great time with your family, doing whatever it is you guys do, and we'll see you again in January in 2021. I'll see you next year. I'm blown. Bye, guys.